Chino, Montana, nickel, yeah. Lauren, gang, bitch.
Go ahead, try to swing on me like a grapevine, and that'll be the last time you see daytime.
And if you rap, that'll be the last time you spit a rhyme. R.I.P. to my nigga Terry Holloway, my Uncle William, my grandpa. Life goes on, but it's so niggas on the block hustling that every night somebody dies for trying to be. Life goes on, but it's so niggas on the block hustling that every night somebody dies for trying to be. I understand in life there's gonna be death, but when my uncle passed, my life went straight up to the left. Best friend and Abuelo got buried on the same week. Only attended one service, wish it was two of me. We cry when we get brought into this world of sin. I wonder when I take my last breath, will I shed a tear? Or will my life just do an instant replay in my mind? These are the thoughts that I just be having from time to time. This world is full of crime, justice system ain't fair. Judged by our skin color, sometimes even our hair. I got a daughter, so I try to always keep her near. They say I need a gun, I say I'm a permanent shield. While living in this field, we call it USA. To them we never free, just modern day slaves. Jesus come down and save each and all of us. This world is dangerous, they want us in them cuffs. But life goes on, but it's so niggas on the block hustling that every night somebody dies for trying to be. Life goes on, but it's so niggas on the block hustling that every night somebody dies for trying to be. I got a felony, that means I can't work. But fuck that, I'm not a quitter, so I gotta work. And if that don't work, might have to get some work. But if I get caught, I get time like I done shot a clerk. What the fuck is society doing? We living in a time when you get killed over loud music and beat the charge. Rest in peace, Trayvon. The list goes on and on. It's like we living in war. He killed a man, but he sold drugs. How does that equal up? Killer gets out before the dealer, and that's justice? Nah, not at all.